So this looks like the same picture we did the other day. The difference here is that I'm going to indicate two different angles. This time I'm going to indicate this angle and this one. All right, good. We're coming to the title. Leave a space for it because I didn't want to give away what word might explain what the relationship is between these two angles. So there is a word, all right? If we were talking about alternate, remember I was saying, well, it goes this one, then this one, that was alternating. What could you have as a word that describes these two? The same place. It's a good one, but we want just one word. William?
Corresponding.
William already knew it was corresponding, so he had a bit of a heads up. If we all knew it, we would have all been able to answer that one. They are in the corresponding place, but in the different set of angles. So this one's heading is corresponding angles. And what number is it? 7. 5? 6. 7. Okay. So 7. This is our 7th rule about angles. So what we can say here is if it is in the same place, as Ollie explained the other day, if we squash it together, it would be just one picture, like that. If we squash the parallel lines together. Remember, the parallel lines must be marked. If we squash them together, there would be just one angle. So therefore, these two angles are corresponding and they are equal, right? So they are equal. So our reason is corresponding angles. And we have to say on parallel lines. Are equal. Now we have a short version of that. All right, and it goes CORR for the corresponding part, our angle sign, the parallel line little emblem, and R equal. That's our short version. Okay, so if we know one, this one is 36, then we know that this one, A, is 36 because of corresponding angles on parallel lines are equal. Right. There are 4 sets of of corresponding angles up there. That's one set. This is another set. I'm going to just do emblems today. All right, they're in the same place. This is another set. Okay, and the last one is this one. Okay, so each of those are corresponding angles. And we know that they are equal. So how does this get difficult? Well, it really doesn't. But like the other day, we could have something which, if we draw it differently, all right, we've got this picture this time. We could have something that says a picture like this. All right, so we might be trying to find this angle here. Okay, and we know this angle here is 120, and that this angle here is this angle here is, I'm going to go with this one, is 42. And I want to find this one, but I also want to find this one. All right? So if I look at that picture, I can use the angle rules that we've already learnt, or the one we've learnt today. And remember, I told you that generally we find the angles in alphabetical order. Doesn't have to be that they ask them like that, but this time we're going to find A first. How are we going to find A? say people all the time. I know you guys are a bit scared of it, but I know a lot of you would know what this is. Okay, Esther, what do we do?
A equals 120 minus 42.
A was 120 minus 42, and that's because these two and that one are equal. So that's our corresponding angles on parallel lines are equal. All right, so we can work that out. That's 80 take away 2 is 78. We're allowed to use our calculators for this one though. So now that I know A is 78, how can I find B? How can I find B? William?
First, you need to find the missing angle next to the original angle you got, which would be 180 minus 120, because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees.
Okay, so we can find this one. All right, this one would be 180 minus 120 equals 60, because angles on a straight line. And then what? William? Then what?
Then B equals 180 minus 60 minus 42, because angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees.
All right, so we could do it that way. 120, 80, 78. Well, that's interesting. A and B are the same. Why are A and B the same? Because there was another way we could have found them. Emma?
Is A not 78 degrees, so why would you subtract 42 from?
Oh, okay. 78 makes it 42, doesn't it? Well done, Emma, thank you. Why are B and 42 the same? Because they're alternate angles. Good. Because they're alternate angles, so we could have just gone there. We could have said, oh, we would have missed this step out. But when we're doing angle things, we can find things loads of different ways and we're allowed to. All right.